I don't understand any of it anyways, but it's extremely important, and I'm about to tell you why. What we're going to talk about today, guys, is title insurance and your title commitment that you get when you are buying or selling a house. Now, first of all, let's talk about what a title commitment is. Now, a title commitment is issued by a title company, which could be anywhere from Denver to here locally. There's tons of them all over the place, so it doesn't matter which one, it means the same thing. What it is just like life insurance, just like homeowners insurance. It protects the title on your home. Now, why does your title on your home need protection? Well, because if you don't have title insurance on the home, that means there's no actual verification that you have any rights to the property, and there's nobody that verified that the person that sold you the house actually had a right to sell the house. What title insurance is it's when a title company insures the title of your home against any kind of other people that can come in and state any kind of claim to any part of your property. This way, when you're buying a house, for example, if say your neighbor has rights to 10 feet of your yard, if the county has rights to 15 feet of your driveway for the purposes of creating a new road whenever they feel like it. If, let's say, the alleyway behind your house, maybe you think it's an alleyway and you find out through your title commitment that it's actually an easement or an encroachment, which means that you can't put in a garage that has alley access because that's not actually an alley. All those things would be uncovered through you reading through your title insurance policy. Say maybe your neighbor that you live behind, they have to use your driveway to get to their house. That type of thing would be disclosed in a title commitment policy. And that's why it's important for you for a buyer. Very oftentimes it also has additional requirements such as HOA rules. It might have your HOA bylaws if you're buying a home in the homeowner association. There's a big case a few years ago where there was a lot of homes that were in the Denver area that were in a area that had very strict requirements as far as the resale of the home. So those homes could actually not be resold for a certain percentage higher than what the person bought it for, because they were originally sold as low income, so to speak, housing, so that had income caps. Well, a lot of people were reselling those properties a few years ago and making quite a profit. Well, it turned out that somebody eventually looked through their title policy and realized, these homes are actually not able to be sold for as high of a return on their investment as they have been getting sold for. So that prevented a lot of people from being able to sell those homes, and it was a huge ordeal. Now, a lot of times stuff like that should be recorded in your county records office. And if nobody pays attention to the title commitment policy, nobody sees all these things that could have been missed. So it's very important for you to look through that, because you never know what type of requirements or regulations are out there that could be affecting your property in the future. Rights on the property, especially out here in Morgan County and anywhere in Colorado, really. Our water laws, I've been told, are pretty